I'm Dr. Charles Adams. I'm a conventionally trained medical doctor, and just wanted to do a brief segment here encouraging any healthcare practitioner to consider attending an integrative health conference. And if you've got a choice between your regular specialty conference and, say, an integrative type conference, give it some considerations. At these integrative conferences, you get a kind of a crossroads of different physicians that have seen and treated different conditions and bring a lot of different experiences to the table, and we all learn from one another. We all know that none of us has the answer, and it's really fun after a speaker will give a talk. Often we'll get together somewhere in the nearby vicinity and sit down and start shooting the bull, and the next thing you know, you're teaching them something, and you're like, wow, it's, I thought everybody knew that. One of the things about a crossroads such as this is that we will commonly encounter patients that have, quote, been to everybody, or I can't get any help, or I'm not getting any answers, or I'm not satisfied with the answers I'm getting. And often you'll come away from this with like, oh, I've got a new way to perhaps look at this, or another way to investigate. And so the integrative medicine conferences highly encourage folks to give consideration to coming to them. Also, it will give some insights into some of the other forces behind, well, why can't I do this, or why can't I do that in my practice, or what do I need to do, or gee, what are these doctors doing, or so many doctors have gotten sideways with the medical boards, or what's the pharmaceutical industry up to over this, or how does the whole thing work? I mean, there are a lot of political and economic factors that are not really congruent or consistent with good patient care, and you'll learn about those and perhaps some resources to help deal with these. So the integrative medicine conferences have a lot to offer for both you as well as your patient. I think you'll find it very professionally rewarding. Thank you.